Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix low-level fatal error, unhandled exception, or Brimstone Win64 Shipping errors in Solasta II. Start by restarting your PC and launching the game. Make sure the game's .exe files are allowed through your antivirus and Windows firewall. Open Settings, then click on Privacy and Security. Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. Manage ransomware protection. Allow an app through controlled folder access, and add the game files. Next, try adding -DX12 in Steam launch options, or remove it if it doesn't work. You can also try the beta version from Steam properties. Lower graphics settings, set upscaling to TSR, post-processing to medium, turn VSync off and lock FPS to 60. Reducing resolution can help too. Install or repair Visual C++ redistributables. Disable overlays like Steam, Discord, or NVIDIA. Close overclocking apps. Verify game files, and then try running the game as administrator. Update or reinstall your NVIDIA or AMD graphics drivers, and temporarily disable integrated graphics if necessary. You can also try rolling back drivers. Update Windows. Clear Steam's download cache. Unplug unnecessary devices. If nothing works, reinstall the game on a different drive. One of these steps should fix your Solasta II crash errors. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.